up, guys? I'm just gonna jump straight into this one. So this video is about how to remove spot welds and the 3 common tools that I use in order to remove spot welds. I'm gonna give you guys a visual representation so you guys can see how it goes down and yeah, how I do it basically. And my favorite tool at the end, you'll see which is my favorite. But anyways, the first one that we got is just a regular drill bit with a spot weld drill bit by Dent. This one costs 30 bucks for one, and I mainly use this one for removing used parts or recycled parts or whatever. But this is also another way that you can remove a spot weld if you don't want to grind them down. After this, we have your belt sander, and this is an air belt sander with a 3M 80 grit sanding belt, and as you can see, it knocks it out pretty quick. This one you can get a box of 10 for about 25 bucks. And then last but not least, I have my cutoff tool with a 3M grinding wheel, and this one you can get 5 of them for about 30 to 40 bucks, sorry. But then I'm going to show you guys the removal of the 3 spot welds and the difference in them. But first I have to roll the lip up because I can't get my panel separator in between them. So I just got a regular vice grip, pliers, whatever, and you just roll up the lip. After we do this, we go ahead and get our panel separator and start removing the panels. And then as you can see on this one here with the spot weld drill bit, you have to do about 1 or 2 passes to get it clean off. And then with my belt sander, it's just 1 clean pass. Boom. And then with the cutoff wheel, I actually required a little more effort, maybe about 2-3 blows before that panel actually separated from the other panel itself. Even though this happened, I would have to say this is my second favorite, the cutoff wheel. All of it has to do with mainly pricing, because the spot weld drill bits are pretty expensive and sometimes they don't last as long. But this is the order. This is my favorite, the cutoff wheel is my second favorite, and then the drilling is my third. But anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. I actually have the removal of the bedside coming soon. I'm just working on the final edits and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and as always, thank you for watching.